Individual demand and mass customization are not simply a passing trends. They are manifestations of an intensifying focus on customer needs, which, given digitalization, continue to advance. This development will radically change the rules of the game in the markets, just like in B2B too, but especially in production. Why? Because ultimately, small batch size means that a job will take it upon itself to find what it needs during production. In order to be able to implement all the requirements associated with this, the process steps must be flexible, networked, and above all, just be mobile. Because this is simply, they advance the job on its fully automated journey through production from one station to the next station. This is precisely how we define our mission, what everyone at WEISS gets up in the morning to do. We map these motion components in 2D, in 3D, in 4D, in circular, and also in lengthwise, so that even with small batch size, the production remains profitable. And indeed, not only that, but recyclable and serviceable as well. My name is Patrick Chan, Southeast Asia Sales Director at WEISS.